Mashup.
Yep, that's a vocal, right? Oh, nice instrumental indeed. Holy shit. Look at this. And again, Mappa going out their boundaries with the animation style they went for.
Nossa, gostei muito da música, não pode ter sido bom.
Dude, 3D song is always the best, man, especially with the vocal and the instrumental too. Dude, this is giving some Psychopath some vibe to it though, I gotta say.
Quebrando.
Gente, só que tem. Olha, realmente tem, mas eu sou muito leve pra matar.
O que será que tá fazendo?
It's the build up, man. This is the build up instrumental part. Oh, I love this effect. Oh man, that Mappa Studio, man. They put in a lot of budget into the ending for sure. Man. Like every episode, every ending, you get to see a different like theme to it, reflecting the episode, of course. Oh, Makima right there. There we go. Hey. Oh man, the instrumental, man. Holy shit, look at these effects, man. Violence. So much like camera work in this ending, I gotta say. Hey, continue. Hey, the violence devil, Himeno, and Aki. Wait.
Eita.
This one is a barrier too.